Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will talk about Megha Shukla in one of her most elegant photoshoots. Megha Shukla dazzled in an evolve white lehenga adorned with intricate mirror work and subtle thread embroidery. The outfit was paired with a soft net dupatta and a plugging sweater necklace blouse. Her makeup was kept heavy with a soft pink blush and nude lips, while her eyes were accentuated with gold and light shimmer. Megha's hair was styled in voluminous soft curls, cascading over her shoulders, posing against a backdrop of vintage archie and white rose. She exuded royalty and timeless grace. The shoot captured her refined elegance and her ability to carry traditional couture effortlessly, challenging powers and sophistication. Megha turned in an all-black blazer, dresses cinched at the waist with a metallic belt. Her look was further elevated with high black silhouettes and sleek black hair tied in a low ponytail. Her bold red lipstick and smoky eye added drama and intensity to the shoot. The set was minimalistic, silk wooden flooring, and a soft shadow spotlight, which emphasized her fair pose and sharp gaze. Megha carried a bold aura in the shoot, symbolizing modern femininity and strength. Her expressions were fierce, confident, and empowering, set in one open field during sunset. Megha Shukla wore a flowy mustard yellow maxi gown with ruffled sleeves and a high-tight slit. The golden sunshine glistened on her bronze skin, adding warmth to each frame. Her wavy hair tousled by the wind to giving a carefree and bohemian touch. The shoot was raw yet radiant, capturing Megha in the natural light, smiling softly in some frame and looking dreamy into the distance in others. The earthly tone of nature perfectly complemented her golden ensembles, making this shoot one of her most ethereal and enhancing visual. Megha wore a sensual wine-red satin sari with a sleeveless unique blouse. Her sleek hair was left open, cascading in a soft wave. A bold maroon lipstick and sharp winged eyeliner highlighted her facial features. She posed her grace and sensuality, leaning against a carved wooden pillar with a subtle smile and salutary expression. The rich drape of the sari contrasted beautifully with the rustic backdrop. This shoot balanced sensuality with elegance, capturing Megha's versatility and her ability to redefine ethnic wear with a modern age. In this dreamy pastel theme shoot, Megha opted for a baby pink cord sets featuring a pleated skirt and a crop top with puffed sleeves. The backdrop was filled with floral arrangements in soft pink, peaches, and lavenders. Her makeup was romantic with peach blush, glossed lips, and fluttery lashes. Megha's posed gracefully with floral props, sometimes lying amidst the flowers and other time holding a bouquet gently. The overall vibe was delicate and romantic, giving fairy tale-like visual. The soft lighting and floral ambience made her look like a spring goddess. For a high fashion magazine shoot, Megha donned a silver metallic bodycon dress with a halter neckline. The futuristic shoot had a bold silver backdrop with new lighting, adding an electrifying edge. Her hair was styled into a wet look silk bun, and her makeup included shimmering highlighters, bold eyeliner, and glossy lips. She posed with confidence, creating bold silhouette and sharp angle. This was one of her edgiest look, showing her dynamic presence and ability to experiment with fashion-forward trends. She looked like runway queen, straight out of high fashion editorials, combining desi charm with fusion wear. Mega wore her floral prints into western outfits featuring a crop top with a symmetrical skirt and cap style dupatta. Her hair was braided with floral accessories and her earring were large oxidized jhumkas. The setting was vibrant with traditional lanterns and Rajasthani textures. Her expressions were playful and graceful, capturing the essence of Indian festival and fashion. This shoot was full of vibrant colors and lively energy, showcasing Megha's love and culture fashion with a twist of modern flair. Shot along a Saran's beach, Megha sported a white current bikini top with a flowy strong skirt and accessorized minimally and kept her hair open in beachy waves. The shoot emphasized natural beauty. The frames captured her walking barefoot on wet sand, gazing into horizon and playful with the waves. Her vibe was relaxed, wild, and free-spirited. The ocean breezes and golden sand, and her radiant presence made this photo shoot both refreshing and bold. In this trendy urban shoot, Megha wore a distended denim jacket pair with high waist, ripped jeans, and a white crop top. She teamed it with white sneakers, chunky hoops, and a slick ponytail. The shoot took place on a graffiti covered with alley that gave raw and vibrant street style appeal. Her pose was casual yet bold, leaning on a bike, sitting on step, and looking effortlessly styled. Her expressions were confident and cool, showcasing a youthful, street smart vibe that resonated well with urban fashion enthusiasts. In a luxury, vibrant shoot, Megha wore a heavily embroideries, maroon lehengas and traditional kundal jewelry, including a statement, madhapatti choker and nose ring. Her makeup was a rich and blouse tone, bold coned eyes, and met her maroon lips. She posed in a vintage palace corridors with antique candles and royal carpets. Her posture was poised and majestic, capturing the essence of classical Indian bride. Each frame radiant grandeur and grace, making this one of her most iconic photoshoot to date. Megha's looked every bit royalties effortlessly, blending traditional with magnificence. She posed with confidence, creating bold roster and sharp angle. This was one of her edgiest look, showing her dynamic presence and ability to experiment with fashion-forward trends. She looked like runway queen, straight out of high fashion editorials, combining desi charm with fusion wear. So guys, here are the some details of Megha Shukla, and if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe silently for more videos like this.